Today we are going to be showing you how to put tire chains onto your vehicle. Now the first tip is to remember to put the brake on your vehicle so it doesn't roll while you're trying to put your tire chains on. And another tip is also to make sure that your vehicle is not on a hill so it doesn't roll and cause an accident. And then another tip, you could also keep a piece of cardboard or plastic in the back of your trunk to make sure that you have a nice flat surface to work on when you're putting the chains on. Now the first step that we're going to do is lay the chain horizontally with the tire behind it so then you can roll over it when you put your vehicle into reverse. So the next step that we have is to pull the chain from both sides of the tire and pull them up. And what we're going to do is attach the back side of the chain on the back side and just clip it. And make sure it's up a few notches. And then you're going to attach the first view on the front of the tire. Make sure you have it up a few notches. The next thing you're going to do is stride forward 10 feet with your vehicle. This is to make sure that the chain is securely on your tire. And then use this time to retighten chains as necessary in the front or the back. So our last step is putting on the chain tightener, which is this rubber piece here. And to make sure you're doing it properly, it should go on the shape like a pentagon, which means we're going to attach the side pieces onto the sides of the tire chain, and then attach one piece down here and then another one down at the bottom, and then we're going to stretch up and move our chain tightener up to the top. First we're going to move this one up a little bit so it makes it a little bit easier. So now we are going to stretch the last one up. And attach it to the chain. And then that is it. And then for removal of it, you just do everything in reverse. Start by taking off the chain tighteners. And then loosen up the front and the back of the chains. And then once you unhook the back one, you can unhook the front one. And then lay the chain out. And then drive forward with your vehicle until the chain is exposed behind the tire. And then you should be good to go.